Today, I'll show you how to make a scrolling table in Tableau. Creating a scrolling table can be incredibly useful when dealing with large datasets, allowing users to navigate through the data smoothly without overwhelming the screen. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a business analyst, understanding how to make your table scroll can enhance your presentations and reports significantly. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, you'll want to head over to tableau.com. If you're new to Tableau, you can start by downloading and installing the software, which is straightforward and well documented on their website. However, if you're already a user, simply log in with your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're inside Tableau, look at the recent projects section. Here, you can select and click on the project you wish to work on. This will open up your dashboard where you can start creating or editing your visualizations. If you don't see your desired project immediately, you can use the search function to find it quickly. Next, focus your attention on the table section located on the left side of the workspace. Here, you'll find a variety of fields that you can drag and drop into your visualization area. For our scrolling table, you'll need to drag the order ID field into the columns section. This action sets up the basic structure for your table, as order ID will serve as a key identifier for each row of data. After setting up the columns, the next step is to bring in the data you want to display. Drag the sales field into the text or label area of your table. This step will assign the sales figures to each order, allowing them to be displayed within the table cells. By linking sales to the text label, you're ensuring that the data is clearly presented and easy to understand. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a scrolling table in Tableau. This setup allows you to display large data sets without clutter, making it easier for users to focus on the data points that matter most. Remember, you can always customize the look and feel of your table by using Tableau's formatting tools, such as adjusting fonts, colors, and sizes to match your specific needs or preferences. Also, keep in mind that Tableau offers numerous features for further data interaction, like filters and highlights, which can enhance the analytical experience for your audience. Exploring these options can make your visualizations even more dynamic and insightful. I hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how to create a scrolling table in Tableau. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Tableau's extensive online resources or community forums. Happy data visualizing!